Hey my loves. Okay, so you know I just did a video with this, right? So today is Saturday and it is 1 o'clock and I just got home from work and this was in the mail, so I was kind of confused because I know the address, so I was like, I got two. So last month I got two as well, and I forgot to check to see if they charged me twice, so I gotta check about this one. So I opened it and I was like, it's the same thing, and then I realized they gave me a little bit more. But as you can see, I want you guys to see the actual box. Want to see how small it is? Like, it's not that tall. See? Okay, so let's open this up. Open this bad boy up. See, I already opened it. So you've seen this already, right? In case you haven't seen the video, this is the little pamphlet thing. It's like motivational stuff, self-esteem, natural hair. Okay, so let's show what they gave me last time. Oh, something's open. Oh. Oh. Are you serious? Okay. I'm literally cursed. It's official. This is coconut. And this spilled. It's open. I don't like coconut. It's all over my hands. Man. See, it's already... You just lost a star. Man. Hold on. Yeah, it's not that strong. Like, I can kind of tolerate that. So, oh my gosh. See, it's stained. So this is the texture and volume spray. So my light's too bright. Okay, so this is the Coconut Restore Texture and Volume Spray. It's Nature's Protein. The key ingredients are almond oil and extra virgin coconut oil. You spray this directly on your curls and you crunch them. Like you squeeze them together and like you crunch them together. Scrunch them, I'm sorry. And you can spray on wet or dry hair or damp hair. Or until damp. And squeeze the product through until you start seeing your curls form. After that, you can finger comb, or use a comb to comb your hair out. So yeah. So next we have this. It's the Coconut Restore Curl Moisture Cream. It's cocoa butter, mango butter, shea butter, coconut oil in it. It's for textured or curly hair. It defines and controls it. It hydrates it to prevent damage, and great for twists, braids, and curly hairstyles. So we're gonna do a smell test. Well, see, I barely smell it, so I guess that's a good thing. Because coconut's not the first ingredient or second ingredient. It's shea butter before coconut, which is good. They got different seed oils. Okay. I like to have almond oil in it too. Alright, so let's see what this is. So this is what I already have. So I have two of these, and I heard these things are quite expensive. They're not really on the cheap side. So we'll see how good it actually works. You can find them on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Pure flaxseed gel. So I already have this already, but I'm already halfway through it because my hair is so damn thick. But this is step one. This is for the bond bender pre-treatment. It reinforces fragile strands. It's with argan oil. It's a 3-step. There's this, the shampoo, and the conditioner. But this is perfect for strengthening chemically treated transitionary natural hair. I want to just dye too. So this right here This is big. So this is 12 fluid ounces, ready to use, Style Me texturizing setting lotion. So it's a lot of body with coconut and shea oils. So yeah, I used this when I was little. It's probably this company still. So this one I used to put rollers in my hair, curlers in my hair, and all that other stuff. So you basically apply it to damp hair. You comb it through, you blow style or set on rollers, and you let it completely dry. It makes your hair shiny and all that other stuff. Your curls last longer. How you had your hair. So this right here, I'm sorry if I was out of frame or anything, because I actually wasn't looking at the camera this time. This is unexpected. I'm going to take a nap. So this right here, oh, it's a little headband. I don't like that. That's crazy, because I was just looking for a headband. I was like, I need a headband or something. Oh yeah, it's gonna come in handy a whole lot for this to work and stuff. Alright, you guys, we'll do a little recap. Sorry if I need to drink some water, because I had a couple of sips of this. Grown folks, 21 and older. Côte des Roses. And for YouTube purposes, I cannot tell you where I got it from. I think I could put in the link below, but I can't like advertise it. So you get this scarf, this little head wrap. You get the curl moisture cream. You get a lot of body texturizing setting lotion. You get the step 1, the pre-bond, the bond mender pre-treatment, breakage defense. Oh, and it's by Cream of Nature. Sorry. And the Clarifaxi gel softens hair, and you get the texture and volume spray from Coconut Restore. I have a lot of their stuff. Alright, you guys, so I don't know, it's kind of weird that they both were sent at different times and this was sent so late, so I'm trying to figure out, did they see my video? I don't know. Alright, you guys, let me know what you think, since I got 2 different kits. You know, I don't think everybody don't get the exact same thing every month from like the next person. So somebody else might have the same box, but you might get a little something different, like 1 or 2 things different. But alright, you guys, I'll catch you next month. And I'm sorry there's no Coco Petite for this month. They changed their stuff on their website, so I had to renew my subscription myself manually, so I don't get one this month, but it's okay. Alright, you guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.